This video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Please consult your physician or a qualified healthcare provider before making any changes to your health, diet, or treatment plan.
All right, let's talk about the hidden heroes inside your body, the ones running the show every single day. They're tiny, they're powerful, and honestly, they're the reason you can heal, feel, and just thrive. Yep, we're talking about peptides, and we're going to get right into it. I mean, have you ever really stopped to think about it? How does your body know how to heal a cut, or build muscle after a workout, or keep your skin firm? It's all happening automatically, right? This question, it gets right to the heart of how we work. Well, here's the answer. It all comes down to these tiny, powerful molecules called peptides. Think of them as the ultimate communicators, secret agents inside you delivering vital messages that make everything happen. So today, we're going to break down exactly what they are and, more importantly, why you should care. Okay, so first things first, to really get what peptides are all about, you have to think of them as messengers. Literally, like tiny biological text messages zipping around your body. Because everything, and I mean everything, from healing a paper cut to growing stronger, it all starts with a message. And here's the simple breakdown. If you think of amino acids as the letters of the alphabet, then a peptide is like a single short, powerful word, a command. It's not a paragraph, it's not an essay. It's a direct order, like build or heal or stop. And the way it delivers that message is just so elegant. The peptide floats through your system until it finds the exact right cell. It's like a key made for one specific lock. It clicks in and bam, it delivers its instruction. Hey you, make more collagen, or time to repair this muscle. It's an unbelievably precise system. Okay, so we know they're messengers, but to really get it, we need to talk about what they're not. And this is a big point of confusion for a lot of people. The difference between peptides and their bigger, more famous relatives, proteins. Yeah, this lays it out perfectly. Look, if you're building a house, the peptide is the architect's blueprint. It's the set of instructions. The protein, that's the actual brick, the wood, the steel, the stuff you build the house with. One tells you what to do, the other is the thing you do it with. Signal versus structure. That's the key. And honestly, if you remember one thing, remember this: instructions versus finished products. This isn't just some random science fact. It's the whole reason peptides are such a game changer. They don't have to be the muscle fiber. They just have to tell the body to build more muscle fiber. It's way more efficient. So you might be thinking this is all, lab coat level stuff, but it's not abstract at all. This is happening inside you right now as you're listening to this. Let's talk about the peptides that are literally running your life every single day. I mean, look at this list. We're talking about things we all care about, right? Keeping your skin looking good, that's peptides telling your body to make collagen. Recovering after a tough workout, peptides again, telling your muscles to repair. Your energy, your focus, it's all being directed by these little guys behind the scenes. And get this, you already know some of the most famous peptides, you just might not know you know them. Insulin, that's a peptide. Oxytocin, the love hormone, it's a peptide. That amazing feeling you get from endorphins after a run, yep, peptides. They are absolutely essential to how we experience the world moment to moment. So what this all proves is that our health is basically built on good communication. When those peptide signals are clear and strong, the body just works better. It's that simple. Which leads to a pretty interesting question, doesn't it? What if we could boost those signals? And that's where we get into the really cool, modern side of all this. Because now that science is starting to understand this language of peptides, we're figuring out how to speak it. And that's the whole idea behind something called peptide therapy. So what is that exactly? Well, the key thing to get is that it's not about forcing your body to do something weird or unnatural. It's actually the opposite. It's like giving your body a cleaner, louder, more specific version of an instruction it already knows how to follow. You're just helping it do its job better. And the process is basically the same as what your body does naturally. These peptides, even if they're made in a lab, are designed to be identical keys. They travel through the body, find that one specific lock, the cell receptor, and turn it, kicking off a totally natural response. So, why do this? What's the goal? Well, because peptides are involved in so many different things, the potential uses are really broad. But it almost always comes back to one thing: enhancing the body's own natural ability to heal itself, to rebalance hormones, or to optimize things like metabolism and recovery. So, where does this all leave us? This isn't just a cool biology lesson. Understanding peptides, this might just be one of the biggest keys to the future of our health and wellness. Really, the biggest thing to take away from all this is a sense of empowerment. Once you know that your body runs on this language of signals, you can start to think about your health in a whole new way. It's not about fighting your body, it's about working with it, speaking its language. And this idea just nails the whole philosophy. It's not about putting something foreign into your system, it's about helping the body do what it was already designed to do, just better. It's a total shift in thinking, from forcing a change to helping your body unlock its own potential to heal. And that leaves us with a pretty mind-blowing final thought, doesn't it? If peptides are the language our bodies use to build and repair themselves, what are we going to tell them to do next? We're just learning to speak this language, and the possibilities, well, they're just getting started.
Thank you for watching our video, and if you haven't already done so, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more amazing educational content on how to live a happier and healthier lifestyle.